What's up guys, welcome back. We're in fall now, so we're gonna kick things off with a caramelized Asian pear liqueur. Caramelized? Caramelized. Caramelized? Caramelized. I don't know, and I don't care. So for this recipe we're going to use Asian pears. They're also called apple pears. You'll see them at your grocery store. You don't have to wait for them to ripen. They are good right as they're harvested. They're ready to eat. So when we're talking about fall, what pairs well with pear? Ginger and caramel. Caramel. Let's get after it. Top it off with some vodka if there's still some pear exposed at the top. Seal this up and store it in a cool, dark place for 7 days. Give it a good shake every day to incorporate those flavors. We made it a week. Now strain that over some cheesecloth into a clean glass jar. Once through the cheesecloth, we're going to strain this through a coffee filter. This is going to take a little while, but you already waited a week. Now we've got to make our caramelized simple syrup. So basically in a large saucepan we're just going to make caramel with our sugar. Heat it up on medium heat. It's going to eventually turn amber colored and turn completely liquid form. Once it's a liquid, very slowly pour in your simple syrup. It's going to steam a lot and eventually little pieces of caramel are going to reform in the syrup. Keep stirring it for 1 minute and that will eventually dissolve. Don't leave it on for more than a minute because we don't want it to burn. Now pour your hot mixture through a fine strainer into a heat-resistant measuring glass. Pour in your caramelized simple syrup and give it a stir. And you end up with this beautiful amber-colored liqueur. You can use this right away. I definitely recommend letting it sit in the refrigerator for a day to let all those flavors incorporate though. Oh yeah, you get that crisp pear right off the bat, and then the caramel kind of lingers in. You can hardly even taste the alcohol. It's got a nice spice to it from the ginger. I got an idea. Let's go make a drink with it. Alright, it doesn't get much easier than that. Here we've got basically a twist on a Kentucky Mule, which is traditionally bourbon, lime juice, simple syrup, and ginger beer. We just substituted the simple syrup for our caramelized Asian pear liqueur. Let's give it a try. Oh yeah, it's super gingery. The citrus in the whiskey is nice. It's kind of like a whiskey sour with a spice kick. And those fall flavors really bring us into the season with that pear. It's refreshing, but it definitely packs a punch. A couple of these and you'll be feeling pretty good. Thank you for tuning in. Check out some more videos and comment below if you have any more fall or autumn flavored stuff you want to see. We've got a lot of fun stuff coming up. I'm going to infuse some gin with a deep fried turkey and cranberry sauce. Nah, I'm just kidding. Cheers for 1,000 years.